Why are investors paying so much attention to semiconductors? Artificial intelligence may be changing the world, but behind every AI application is a technology most people never see. Semiconductors. These tiny chips have become one of the most important building blocks of the modern economy. From smartphones and cloud computing to artificial intelligence and advanced data centers, semiconductors sit at the center of it all. In recent years, investors have devoted increasing attention to this industry. Why? Because semiconductors are no longer just components inside electronic devices. They have become essential infrastructure for the digital economy. Today, we'll explore why semiconductors matter, how artificial intelligence is driving demand, and why investors continue to watch this industry closely. Let's begin. Semiconductors play a critical role in nearly every major technology trend. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, data centers, advanced manufacturing, and countless connected devices. All of these technologies rely on increasingly powerful chips. As businesses process larger amounts of data and consumers use more digital services, demand for computing power continues to grow. That demand ultimately creates a need for more semiconductor technology. This growing importance has transformed semiconductors into one of the most closely watched industries in the global technology sector. Many investors view the industry as a way to gain exposure to long-term technology trends. Instead of focusing on a single application or software platform, they look at the technology that helps power many of them. Artificial intelligence has become one of the strongest drivers of semiconductor demand. Every AI application requires computing power. Whether it's generating content, analyzing data, recognizing images, or processing language, AI systems rely on advanced chips to perform these tasks. As AI adoption increases, demand for high-performance computing infrastructure continues to grow. Cloud providers are expanding their capabilities. Data centers are increasing capacity. Businesses are investing in more powerful computing resources. And all of these developments contribute to greater demand for semiconductor technology. This has created what many investors see as a long-term investment cycle. As AI becomes more widely adopted, the need for computing power may continue to expand, and semiconductors remain a key part of that equation. However, it's important to remember that every investment opportunity comes with risks. The semiconductor industry has historically been cyclical. Periods of strong demand can be followed by slower growth. Competition within the industry remains intense. Technology evolves rapidly, requiring continuous innovation and investment. The industry is also highly capital-intensive. Developing advanced technology and expanding production capabilities often requires significant resources. These factors can create both opportunities and challenges for companies operating in the sector. For investors, understanding these risks is just as important as understanding the growth potential. So what's the key takeaway? Semiconductors may be small in size, but their impact on the global economy is enormous. They power the devices we use every day. They support cloud computing and data centers, and they provide the computing foundation required for artificial intelligence. As digital technologies continue to expand, semiconductors are likely to remain one of the most important industries in the modern economy. For investors, understanding the semiconductor industry can provide valuable insight into broader technology trends, because while software may capture the headlines, the hardware that powers the digital world remains just as important. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Tech Investor USA for more insights into technology, artificial intelligence, and long-term investing trends. And I'll see you in the next video.